Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pin unlimited chat on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! WhatsApp comes with an amazing feature that allows users to pin up to 3 of their WhatsApp chats. It can help them access their most important and preferences conversation. This feature allows users to get rid of the pain of searching a WhatsApp chat. And what if you want to pin more than one chat on your WhatsApp? You want to pin unlimited chat? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. As you can see, I have 3 pinned chat on my WhatsApp and I want to pin more than 3. How to do it? It's so simple. Before that, I will show you first that when I try to pin, there is a notification that tells me that you can only pin up to 3 chats. But don't worry, in this video I will show the trick. So first thing you have to know that you have to do this trick fast. So first, you can tap and hold on the one of the pinned chats and click archive in here. After that, you can pin another chat and click undo on archive pop up before it's missing. You have to do it fast, so you have to focus. Let's try. So you can tap and hold on the one of the pinned chat. Now you can choose on archive and you can pin another chat. After that, you can, I will try to make it more fast. Tap and hold on one of the pinned chats. Click archive, pin another chat and tap on undo before the archive pop up before it missing. And now you can see I have 4 pinned chats on my WhatsApp. You can pin more. You can, if you want to add more pinned chat, you can do the same thing. Tap and hold. Choose an archive, pin the chat that you want to pin, tap and undo on the archive chat. It's so simple, right? So that is how to pin unlimited chat on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!